Discover unmatched privacy and versatility on 127-plus acres in Georgia, featuring a beautifully updated home, private pond, pool, and a barn perfect for guest or caretaker living. Tucked away on J.R. Sims Road in Wilkinson County, this property blends serene rural living with modern comfort, offering the ideal setting for families, hobby farmers, or those seeking a private country retreat. atmosphere for gatherings, casual meals, or simply relaxing while overlooking the stunning acreage. Quality finishes, updated systems, and move-in-ready convenience make this home as functional as it is beautiful. The property's outdoor amenities are equally impressive. A sparkling pool provides the perfect spot for cooling off on warm Georgia days, while the private pond adds both natural beauty and recreational possibilities. Whether fishing, kayaking, or simply enjoying peaceful waterfront views, this pond is a true centerpiece of the property's charm. The massive 48 by 48 barn offers incredible flexibility. 2 fully finished apartments allow for guest accommodations, rental income, or space for caretakers. The barn also provides ample storage, workshop areas, and room for farm equipment, making it ideal for a working farm, hobby projects, or equestrian needs. With 127+ acres, the land offers endless opportunities. Hunt, explore, or cultivate gardens and pastures, all while enjoying the tranquility and privacy that this sprawling estate provides. Rolling fields, mature trees, and quiet country roads create a serene backdrop for everyday life or weekend escapes. This Wilkinson County gem is a rare opportunity to combine luxury, functionality, and vast land into one remarkable property. Whether you envision a private family compound, income-producing estate, or ultimate country retreat, this property delivers it all. Schedule your private showing today and step into a lifestyle that's as versatile as it is unforgettable.